Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. This week in class, one of my students told the group quite a remarkable story. She was talking about how she used to work as a tour guide, and one day she was contacted by a very powerful, very wealthy foreign visitor who was planning to come to her city, and he hired her to show him around. And at the end of the tour, he was so impressed with her work that as a reward, as a gift, he offered to take her and a friend of hers to any country that she wanted to visit. She chose Thailand, and he took them to Thailand. This sounded too good to be true to me, and I couldn't believe that this would happen without some kind of conditions being connected to the trip. So I asked her, seriously, with no strings attached. With no strings attached means with no limits or conditions on the offer or on the relationship. So, for example, you might see an advert that says, this policy offers 15% interest on your savings with no strings attached. My student seemed quite shocked that I would even suggest this and said, no, there was nothing improper about it at all. He came with his wife and his family. There you go. It just goes to show there are still some good people out there. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about any situations you've heard of or been in where there were no strings attached.